Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Ryan from Kirbside Cleaning, and this is the first patio clean of the year. I haven't actually seen it yet, I quoted it through Google Earth. It's a conservatory and patio clean ready for the house to go on the market. It's currently -3 degrees. Now it was actually -5. I had a commercial clean this morning for a large nationwide toy store that they didn't turn up, so I was out at 7 o'clock this morning. It was -5. I was not looking forward to today, but the sun has come out. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, hopefully when we get there it's warmed up a little bit. I've got the diesel heater in the back of the van, just keeping the equipment warm, because we don't want that getting too cold. So we will be there in approximately half an hour, and we will get cracking, and I will show you the job. See you in a sec. So this is the conservatory. I'll show you that from the inside in a second. It is still very cold. We just have to use some hot water to defrost the tap, but we've got it working. So this is the job. We've got these slabs to clean up, this little bit of patio here, and then that runs, we're just going to do all this edging and do this little section at the back here, and then the conservatory we'll probably do afterwards, because we don't want to clean it and then splash a load of stuff up it, so we'll do that afterwards. Also, I've got to wait for the temperature to heat up, because if I try and clean that now, the water's just going to freeze on the glass and I'm not going to get anywhere quickly. So I'm going to get set up, and then we will crack on with the cleaning. Catch you in a second. Frozen to the ground. Right, so we are getting on quite nicely. It's coming up beautifully, but I don't know if you can hear it down there. The throttle's bouncing on the pressure washer, so we're gonna have to take that back to the pressure washing place to see if I can fix that. But I am getting full pressure out of it, so at the moment no complaints, but I'm hoping just got to get this little bit extra done, we'll be able to finish the job, but I'm sure it will be fine. If you just look at that, look at the difference. Definitely needed a clean, didn't it? Right, let's crack on. So I was checking through my analytics and noticed that actually 24% of my subscribers are watching my content, or people watching my content, 24% of you are subscribed. Now that is actually really incredible, but we're aiming for 30%. So if you do like the content and you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It really is helpful. Enjoy the rest of the video. Right, before we apply the chemical, I'm going to just try and let some of this drain off because I don't really want more water coming along here. The glass is still freezing the water, if you can see that. So we can't get started on the conservatory, so it's really bad there. So we can't get started on the conservatory just yet anyway. So yeah, just going to let that soak away. But absolutely banging job. It's looking proper quality. There doesn't seem to be any drainage around here, so we'll have to see what happens. But I think if I just leave that for 5-10 minutes, hopefully nothing freezes whilst I'm waiting, and I'll give the guys over. Oh, look at that, where it's run down, frozen instantly. Mad, yeah. I do not hold my breath on it not freezing, but try and give the guys a call over in Basildon and get a pressure washer booked in. So chemical treatment is down. We are going to quickly rinse down the walls and stuff. The customer has advised that the flooding on the grass will just go by itself. He said it's something that he's done in the past, so not to worry about that. But yeah, we're going to get everything washed down, and then I think we might be sitting around waiting for it to warm up so that we can clean all the windows. But yeah, let's get it. So that is the roof of the conservatory done. It's still freezing quite a fair bit, but it's come up quite nice. And then we've done up to about here, just on the lower sections. Again, it is still freezing, but with the hard bristle brush, we are managed to clean it before it starts to freeze. So we're going to get that finished now, and then rinse everything down, tidy up a little bit, and get going. But yeah, very, very cold today. Well, there we have it, guys, all finished. What a result. Conservatory's come up beautifully. All these little flagstones here come up nicely, and then this little bit at the back here, beautiful as well. So I'm just going to wash all these doors down. This is actually frozen underneath, so that's why it's not draining. That customer said it's fine. He said it happens every time it rains, so he said it will drain away, and he's happy with that. So job's a good one. Oh, caught the door. Right, I'm going to get packed up, finished up and packed up, drop the pressure washer down at the pressure washing place, and I'll see you in the next one.